Alright guys, so this is the Huawei Mate SE, as you can see from the back there. So you just turned it on and you want to see how the setup is. This is the setup for the Huawei Mate SE. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Tap. Alright guys, so here we have the Huawei Mate SE. So you do have select the language and you have to insert a SIM card. Now I don't have a SIM card ready right now, but we could definitely skip through everything. This is the terms and conditions. So what happens if you hit disagree? So if you hit the disagree button, you have to accept it and read it. The Wi-Fi Plus service, you got to check that out if you guys want to read that as well. Just agree, and you got weather service, agree. Hit next. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. So I'm definitely not seeing the 5 gigahertz network. So we are now connected to my Wi-Fi. It is checking info. Okay, so we have to input our Google information. So I'm gonna just skip that for right now. And let's just skip everything so we can see what the main screen looks like. And let's see if there's any difference between the Honor 7X and the Huawei Mate SE. Data transfer from a Huawei device, iOS device, or other Android device. So if you guys aren't seeing this right, let me just try to zoom in on the screen here for you guys. Alright, so hopefully this locks in pretty well. Alright, so we do have the data transfer, so if you just hit skip, you will set it up as a new device. Alright. You do have the fingerprint touch control here, so this is how you set up your fingerprint scanner. Alright, so to enroll your fingerprint, you must put your finger on the back, of course. That's the way it usually goes. Alright, so you just have to tap it a couple of times. You have to unroll the edges. Complete full fingerprint. Press the edge of the sensor. So you can add a couple of fingerprints there. So there you go guys, the EMUI. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, so this is the wallpaper you get. I'm not sure if the Honor 7X had the same one. So it's the first time that I've actually done some things here. So let's see if it has a system update, because I know it's running 7.0 or 7.1. Let's just check. So there's no updates available right now. So as you guys can see, we do have the Huawei Mate SE, and you have the model number and the build number, 5.1 EMUI and 7.0 for the Android version. Okay guys, so let's just see how much storage you get out the box. So 48.42 gigs are free out the box. So you're basically using 12 for the firmware. You got cache data, I can remove that, and the other 2 gigabytes is saying other. So if you head to storage cleaner, it could probably clear out that cache and the memory cleanup, so you can clean up 1.48 megabytes. So it's the first time in a long time that I've actually used this UI in a while, but as you can see, I'm definitely not digging like these huge icons. So the included apps you get here guys, so you do get Amazon backup, you get booking.com, which I've used before. You do get a Huawei app as well, health, high care, messaging. So let's see if you're able to remove the messaging app. So it says right there that it can't be uninstalled. I don't know if you guys could peep that, but it says you can't uninstall it. Okay, so you do get Duo, you get Gmail, you get Instagram installed, Maps, Notepad, music, photos. So there's a lot of Google apps on here. So let me just test out the camera real quick. Let's see if I could get a swipe right to select the camera. So if this phone is a Mate device, right, it should have the same features as like the Mate 10 or something like that, but let me just check how the quality is. So it's a decent shutter speed there, decent. Okay, so let's see how the quality looks on my end, what I see. So it's a little soft when you zoom in, but that could be because of the lighting. So with this one, this actually looks pretty good. So you can see like a little bit of like the specs there, but I do have a lot of great lighting here guys, so I'm not entirely sure how the camera is, but I will do some more tests with the Huawei Mate SE including camera, front and back, and I should have a bunch of different tests of this device. So that's about it, guys, for the first initial run through and the first impressions of the Huawei Mate SE. I'm definitely digging the size. The bezels are pretty small, and I was actually reading how the Honor 7X actually has bigger bezels compared to this one. So I'm definitely glad I waited, because you do get the extra gigabyte of RAM and you get twice the storage for the same price. Alright guys, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei Mate SE and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace.